We're here in Tokyo, Tokyo. With your host. We're back.
I'm back.
We're back.
He's back.
We're back.
We're back.
Full of facts.
We're full of back. This is how you eat potato. First, you do this. Then you take a shot. Very, very good. Try this at home.
Bro, let me.
Then, how you use chopsticks. Look, let it firmly in here, then like that, then like that. Sorry for my dirty fingernails. Then,
It's not obvious. It's okay.
isn't it obvious? Then like this.
You're being sublime.
Use the chopstick like this. It's very, very good.
That's how we Pinoy use the chopstick.
This is how Pinoy use the chopstick. You're a Pinoy, so do it like this.
What's that?
These are the testicles of a chicken.
Eh, that one.
This is the sperm of a chicken. Our mother is being corny again.
Yeah, again. Sorry for the viewers. That is Ate from the Tokyo, Tokyo. He's back again.
Very, very. The ate of Tokyo, Tokyo is very, very
Shy type.
shy. I will subu-subu. Wala, hindi pakita.
Ay, sorry.
Po, Tagalog. Kailan sa... Very good. Now, we will.
Baka makulog naman yan dyan sa ano. Huwag na yan. Ano na yan? Ano yan? Mamaya na. Mag-sign off muna. Mamaya na.
Sign off now.
This is the Whatever Ever show.
I am Dean.
Sign off.
I'm the webcamer. This is the corniest mother on earth.
And there is Ate from Tokyo, Tokyo.
Ate is trying to...
Ate, sign off. She is very shy, so we will just sign off.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Say it again.